What's up, guys? Dave with Fixing for Fun. Behind me is my 1970s John Deere 301A. Last week we fixed the fuel system. Today we're going to start tearing into it even deeper. So today we're actually going to split the tractor. We need to start by getting it ready to split. We need to remove all these lines, cap them off so that they're not just dumping on the floor and they're not hooked up. We've got lots of room to roll this out. As you can see, we're going to take the top half of this transmission, the lift arms and everything off so that we've got easy access to replace the shifting forks. You got to remove this wonderful custom exhaust pipe with no rain cap that has rotted out the exhaust muffler. And then we've got to come over here, take the floorboards off because we're going to split it right there. The good thing is, though, someone already took care of the wiring for me, so I don't have to worry about disassembling that. I do have to worry about putting it back together, though. But let's get started. One nice thing about using caps is they can't leak, but you can't get anything in it either. So if you don't have a cap set, I highly recommend it. It's some of the better money you will spend. They're not that much money.
A few moments later.
That was on there.
Yeah, I'm done fighting with these. Well, that was easy. Right, guys, I don't know how much that weighs, but it weighs enough. It's got 3-point hitch and all that stuff on it, so, or the lift arms for it. Let me know in the comments if you know how much that weighs, because I'm going to say a lot. But now we can look into the transmission. Everything looks surprisingly clean. I am going to get the rest of that oil out of there and make sure that everything's cleaned and flushed really well. All right, here's these shifting forks. They go into here. Loosen the set screws, pull them out, slide new ones in once we split it. So nothing left to do but to do it. Okay, now we can see what's going on. This is what we're going to be fixing. Okay, so we got one replaced. We got this one done. Runs down and through. What a pain in the butt this is. They've got little ball detents. So we're going to put this one in and the ball detent, and then we'll go over to this side. Okay guys, well we got all these back in. They've all been replaced with the ones that are tightened up and welded. They do move snug, but they do move, all of them. So, of course I'm trying to use my fingers, and let's face it, my fingers are not a shift lever. All that's left now, we gotta put the gears back on. We're gonna roll this bad boy back together, hopefully. Haha! I got it. I got to tighten these up. We're gonna put the gasket, put the cover on, fill it up with oil, and we're gonna be good to go, ladies and gentlemen. see how I did. Can I get a contact? All right, guys, well, there she is. It's a little late, but we had to finish it up. So it's out of the garage. She's all set to sit here all winter, and in the spring we're going to take it out and go mow. But anyways, the next project is to put that plow on. So anyways, if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.